Class 7 Geography, Chapter number 4, Air Pressure. Today we are going to discuss a point: temperature zone, pressure belts and planetary winds. Temperature zones and pressure belt are interrelated to each other, but the latitudinal extent of the temperature zone is much longer, while pressure belts are narrower. Temperature zone is Temperature zone extends longer, but pressure belts are narrower. See the figure 4.2a and 4.2b. We can observe in both figure. In first figure, there are given the temperature zone, and another figure the pressure belts. Pressure belts are narrower, but temperature zones extends larger size. Uneven distribution of the temperature influences the distributions of air pressure too, leads to formation of low and high pressure belt horizontally. In this figure 4.2b, there are the distributions of the pressure belts, and this distribution pressure belts are horizontally. This leads to formation low and high pressure belts between the equator and the poles, equator and the south pole, and as well as north pole. Pressure belts on the earth's surface. The heat received from the sun is uneven in different regions, hence the distribution of the temperature is uneven from the equator to the poles. As a result, the temperature zones are created. We have studied this in the previous class, students. Our earth is in circular size. Because of that, all over earth has the same temperature? No. All over earth get some part of the earth more temperature, and both poles are get the less temperature. Because of that, uneven differences distribution in the temperature, so equator to the poles. As a result, temperature zones are created. Equatorial low pressure belts. The sun rays can be perpendicular between the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. When the sun rays reach on the earth, that time the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn, the sun rays can be a perpendicular between the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. Because so the temperature is higher in this region, hence air in this region gets heated and expands, becomes lighter and moves towards the sky. When air gets heated, it became a lighter and it moves towards in the sky. As this process operates continuously, a low pressure belts get formed in the central part of the region between the parallels 5 degree north and 5 degree south. Because of the temperature, perpendicular sun rays between the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. Next, mid-latitudinal high pressure belt. Mid-latitudinal high pressure belts. The heated air becomes lighter, start ascending, and after reaching higher altitudes, move towards the polar region, towards the north and south pole. The air cools down and becomes heavier. This heavier air descends down in the both hemisphere, southern hemisphere and northern hemisphere, in the region between 25 degree to 35 degree parallel. This leads to formation of high pressure belts in these parallels of latitude in both the hemisphere. This air is dry, hence the region does not get rainfall. Consequently, most of the hot desert on the earth are found this region. Student, the heater air becomes lighter and start ascending Because of that, after reaching the higher altitudes, moves towards the polar region, towards the north and south pole due to low temperatures at the higher altitudes. The air cools down and becomes heavier. When air became a cool, it became a heavier. This heavier air descends down in the both hemisphere to South Pole and North Pole between 25 degree to 35 degree parallel. This leads to formation of high pressure belts in these parallels of latitude in both the hemisphere. This air is dry. Hence, this region does not get rainfall. Consequently, because of that, most of the desert found in this region. Next point, subpolar low pressure belt. Due to the earth curvature area between the two parallels get reduced as we move towards the pole. This result is lesser friction of air with the earth's surface. Air in this region is thrown out because of this reduce the friction and also because of the earth rotational motion. This lead to the development of low pressure belt. This condition is observed in the area between 55 degree to 65 degree parallels in the both hemisphere. Earth's surface is a circular. Because of that, the area between two parallel get reduced. Earth is a circular shape. Because of that, area between the two parallel get reduced, move towards the pole. So this result is lesser friction of the air and the earth between the air and earth surface. Air in this region is thrown out because of this reduced friction. So, earth rotational motion. Because of that earth rotational motion, and this leads to development of the low pressure belts. Polar high pressure belts. In the South Pole and North Pole region, the temperature is below 0 degree Celsius throughout the year. Hence, their air is cold in these both regions. As a result, high pressure belts get formed. These are called the polar high pressure belt. They generally occupy the area between 80 degree and 90 degree parallel in the both hemisphere. 80 degree to 90 degree south pole and 80 degree to 90 degree north pole. The duration and the intensity of sun rays varies during particular periods of the year in both hemisphere. As a result, the location of the temperature zones and the pressure belt depends on the sun's heat also. This change of the order 5 degree to 7 degree towards north Uttarayan and 5 degree to 7 degree south Dakshinayan. This is called the oscillation of pressure belts. Students, both polar region, south polar and north polar region, temperature is below. Minimum temperature is the 0 degree Celsius. Because of that, there is high pressure belt formed. The major difference between the temperature zones and pressure belts, that is the temperature zones, are continuous and spread from the equator to the poles. Torrid to frigid pressure belts are not continuous, and areas of high and low pressure are found in the different regions forms the equator to the poles. Effect of the air pressure as following: origin of winds, generation of storms, conventional types of rain, and air pressure affects the breathing activity too. Because of the air pressure, we can see these effects. Isobars, the lines that join the places of equal pressure on the map is called the isobar. See the figure, students. 4.3 Distribution of the annual average pressure in the world. Value of air pressure in the millibars. This the isobar shows the air pressure belts, and this isobar joins to the equal air pressure belts. The nature of the isobars, we can observe this figure, student. Then you can get the answer of this question. All things in and on the earth stay earthbound because of the earth gravity. This includes the air, which is the gaseous form. Due to the earth gravity, air is pulled to the earth surface. That is why air pressure is maximum at sea level. Note that air extract pressure on everything and everyone, including us. It is believed that the weight of the air column on any on person's head among 1000 kg.